What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I did the cleaning of the lights. If you missed that video, go ahead and check it out. Today is the installation. This is on a 2015 Honda Civic SI. Let's get into it. Alright, first what you're going to need to do, the tools you're going to need is a socket, obviously, 8mm. And that's going to be for these bolts here to take the lights out. You're going to need like a pry tool to get the plastic clips off of here, and hard to see right there. You're going to peel this back. See if I can set this up so you guys can see. See right there. All right. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna undo all these clips here, which go to the lights. Pushing the tab, pull it out. There's another one here. Push the tab in, pull it out. And then next, you're gonna take off these bolts. Get to it. See if I can angle that right. Where's the last guy? There you go. Just loosen them by hand. Do not lose these. Excuse my loud ass neighbors. I don't know if you can hear them. This is pretty simple. It's 4 bolts, and then there's a up here in the corner. It's just like a little pull tab that when you pull the light, so how you're gonna take the light off is you're gonna pull it straight back. It's gonna be a little bit of a mission. There we go. Oh, I forgot one clip. There we go. Just like that. Lights out. Come back right now when I start installing them. Alright, here we go. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. So how this light is going to go is you're just going to make sure that tab right there lines up with that little blue tab right there. And obviously the bolts all go through the holes. So set you down to here. Sure, good angle on that. All right, here we go. Let's fold that down. There we go. Everything lined up, as you can see. And then all you're gonna do is reverse the order and just start putting all the bolts back on. Probably before you tighten anything down though, test it. Always test it before you tighten it down. I'll put those 3 for now. This guy up here and plug him in. Go. Go. Ooh. LED's working, everything's working. All I gotta do is test the brake lights and the blinkers. Let's see. Working. Alright, after tightening up all the bolts back up and everything like that, you're just gonna go ahead and put your carpet back. Tuck it in. And then you're just going to go ahead and put all these clips back in those same holes. Now it's time to install this portion of it. The inner trunk lining part. As you can see, this light right here. And to take off all that stuff, is all it's going to be is 1 bolt, 2, 3, and 4. And get that removed. I believe it's still the same socket size. Yep, 8mm. All right, be right back. All right, it was a little bit of a struggle to get this out. So you get the screws out and everything. The hardest part is going to be that little push pin that clips into the light right here. That white one. You got to pull kind of hard on your light to pull it out. It's gonna feel like it feels like it's gonna break, but it's not. You just gotta give it a little tug, and then you're gonna take the newer one and set that right in its place. And just make sure everything on the bottom side lines up. There we go. Boom. Popped right into place. Get it back in. You're just gonna go ahead and put that bolt back on, that one there, and then this one is, yeah, there, and then that one, and then there's one more bolt, which is this guy here, goes into that last slot right there. And then make sure you just go ahead and plug all your stuff back in. Which I gotta put the light bulb back in this one. Take it out of this guy here. Some LEDs. Get it in there. There we go. And just make sure it's tight in there. All the bulbs already there. So now all you do is just clip everything back in. Clip. And this one is this way. There we go. And everything's plugged back in. All I gotta do is test it before I tighten it down. It's working, and it's working. What do you guys think? Eagle eyes or stock? Drop your comments down below. Which one do you guys think looks better? I'm feeling the eagle eyes because I like that it's a black housing headlight. Up in the inside, after you tighten up all your bolts and everything like that, you're gonna go ahead and just put the lining back. Sit back up in here, and you're just gonna go ahead and just follow it. 1, 2, and then I believe that's it. That's all I took out was those 2, and this whole thing came down. And pretty much that's it. That's the install. That's how you install eagle eye tail lights. One thing I didn't mention, the only light bulbs you will be replacing is your blinkers. For the Eagle Eyes, they already come pre-set up with the LEDs and everything that make it glow red and everything like that. So you will not have to replace the actual brake light, but definitely your blinker light you'll have to replace. One more thing, guys, for these Eagle Eye tail lights. When you are doing the switch over, there's going to be an extra blue tab here. I believe that goes to the LEDs that's normally on the side of the light over here. But I guess with the whole function of this one here, they already have it set up to where it lights up on the side, so you don't have to worry about that. You could just kind of disregard this blue one, just leave it there hanging, just in case you ever want to stock your plug in your stock lights. Here we go. See, as I mentioned before, LED lights are lit up. Eagle Eye tail lights. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thank you, guys. Until next time.